Yamaha's YSM20R series machine is about to be discontinued. This is a very stable and powerful machine. Why is it discontinued? Is this a good thing? What do you think about this? How is the new YRM20 machine different from the old YSM20R machine? Below are two pictures of the technical parameters of Yamaha YSM20R and YRM20. The YRM20 machine is like a modular machine, and different options can be selected according to customer needs. You want faster speed, A and B work heads, all choose RM rotary work heads. The speed can reach 115,000 cph. Not only want high speed, but also want to assemble larger size. The workhead selection is RM+HM. The speed reaches 57,000 cph plus 49,000 cph, a total of 106,000 cph. Under this option configuration, what is the chip assembly range, which can meet the 0201 metric size to 55 mm*100 mm. Here I would like to add that many manufacturers describe the technical parameters and say that their machines can meet the 0201 chip size. But many customers don't know what the routine is. The following picture will show the difference between metric 0201 and imperial 0201. Next time, ask the seller whether your 0201 is metric or imperial. Metric 0201 size means length is 0.25 mm*, width is 0.15 mm. British 0201 size means length is 0.6 mm*, width is 0.3 mm. The size seems to be not much different, but to meet the metric 0201 assembly requirements, the accuracy, stability, and repeatability of the machine are very high. You may not find the difference when you assemble ordinary PCB products. If you assemble small pitch LED displays or GOB displays, all the bad problems will be exposed. In this industry, it is like a magic mirror. When good and bad machines are tested, the problems will be revealed. Sorry, I deviated from today's topic. The speed of the YSM20R HM workhead is 95,000 cph, and the assembly size range is also 0201 to 55 mm*100 mm. Would you choose YRM20R RM workhead plus HM workhead or YSM20R2 HM workheads? Why did Yamaha stop producing YSM20R? If you are interested, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a message under the video. If it is helpful to you, I hope you can like it and support it. Thank you.